Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can save your forms on monday.com as templates, for example, to use these templates for future projects in your workspace. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your workspace on a Monday, click into or select your form here on the left hand side. You can create a new one by clicking into the plus button and by selecting form here. Let me go with that one here. So if you'd like to save this as a template to use it in future as a customizable template, right click into it or click into these three dots here to the right and select the option Save as Template. Now you can use one of these options. Let me go with Move the Origin, click into Next, select one of these options here. I will go with Standard Template and give your template also a name. Let me just correct the typo here, uppercase, and then confirm by clicking into Create Template. Wait for the saving process to be finished. And that's it. Your form template has been saved in your template center here on monday.com so that you can edit it in your new tab or use it to customize it for your projects and future forms. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.